Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So now what we are planning, that is we should do the isomerism today. Isomerism. Isomerism.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. This is isomerism. When you talk about the isomerism, Janab, that is as per the word you can see, iso means what? That is same. Iso means same. And that is another term is
Yes,
that
sir.
merism. Merism. Merism means different form. Okay. That is what they are saying. Different form. Right. So what can be same molecular formula will be same molecular formula. Now iso
Will be same.
molecular formula same and different form means structure is different. That is what that will be that structure is different. That is what the point. Structure is different.
Yes, sir.
So if we are going to define isomerism, so how can you define? That is two or more than two or more than two organic compound, two or more than two organic compound,
Organic compound.
organic compounds. Okay, two or more than two organic compounds having same molecular formula, having same molecular,
Same molecular form.
hmm, having same molecular formula. Okay, but different in
Yes,
structure.
sir.
Hmm. But different in structure is known as isomerism. You know, different in
Yes, sir.
structure is known as isomer. Known as isomers,
Yes, sir.
and their process of conversion. Their process of conversion.
Yes, sir.
FROM, process of conversion from one form to another. One form to
To
another.
another.
Hmm. One form to another is known as isomerism. Is known as what? That is iso.
I
Hmm. So that is what the definition. It looking like very difficult, but it's actually very easy because you can try to understand here. They are saying iso means same. What is same? Molecular formula is going to be same. Okay. If molecular
yes,
formula
sir.
is same, then what is going to be different here? You can see structure is different. Structure is different. When you are going for the complete definition, they are saying two or more than two organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in structure is known as isomers, and their process of conversion from one form to another form is known as isomerism. So that is what the let us try to understand this with the example. Okay, so I'm taking that is
Yes, sir.
CH12 I have taken. Up now if you draw the structure, here can be the structure can be CH3, CH2, again it can be CH2, CH2 and CH3. So straight is there, all straight. This is going to be what? Straight structure, straight chain structure.
Structure. Yes, sir.
There is no branching, straight chain structure, right? Now, you know very well that is single bond. Single bond is what the property of single bond is rotation, rotation and shifting. Single bond property is what that is it can undergo rotation as well as shifting also. Okay, anyway you can understand this one. So what it can
Yes,
be, the second one, we can change this structure like that. CH3, here is CH, here is CH3, then it will be CH2, and lastly it will be CH3. That is what is known as
yes,
the N-pentane. Nor straight chain pentane is also known as normal pentane. This is the known as what isopentane. This is going to be isopentane.
isopentane.
This group is isopentane. And last one, when you are going for the last one, this also can be changed in the another form. What the form it can be here? It is CH3. This side again going to be CH3. Upper side CH3. downside CH3. This is what is known as
Yes, sir.
neopentane. This is what the structure, neopentane.
Neopentane.
Huh. Now these are the common name. No, this is the
Yes,
pentane is okay. Isopentane is common, neopentane common name. Like, but you try to understand one thing. Okay, this is the one branch. Here, what is there? One branch is there. Branch is there, but single branch is there. Here, how many branches there? Two branches there. Here is two branch.
sir.
Here is two branch, and
Two
here
branch.
no branch. Now that is these three structure. Now what I am going to do here, you see, Janab, what we can see molecular formula. See, C5 is there. 5 carbons are there. Hydrogen you can count 3 2 5 2 7 2 9 3 12. C5H12. Here you count 1 2 3 4 5. 5 carbon are there. Hydrogen you count 3 4 4 3 7 7 2 9 3 12. So that is H12. Now you can go C5 also here. 1 2 3 4 5. C5 and hydrogen you see 3 4 are 12. So that is hydrogen is.
Yes, sir.
So what you are finding here, these are the branch structure. Yes or no? Branch.
Yes, sir.
That is having the branch structure. Okay. And what is this one? The unbranched structure. This is the non-branch structure. Non-branch. So what is the difference? Molecular formula all is having the same. You can see molecular formula same, but the structure is what is going to be. Here is unbranched, here is branch. The structure is different. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what are they called? What are they all called, Janab? What are they all called together?
The branch chains. Isomers.
They all are called the isomers. Yes, is it okay to you? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, but it's a bit tough.
Okay. You will be able to understand here. Now see. You are going, that is the types of, let us try to understand types of isomerism. In that I will explain again. Types of isomerism. Firstly, you try to understand types of isomerism. We are going to understand types of isomerism. So isomerism are broadly classified under two categories. The first categories we are going to study today. The very first category when you are talking about, so that is they are known as what? The no, chain isomerism. That is what is known as, if you wanna
Chain isomerism.
otherwise you can say that is here is the stereo isomerism. Okay, the first one is stereo isomerism. Here I am writing that is structural isomerism. Structural isomerism, that is the two types. Firstly we are writing. Now is structural isomerism, just now I spoken, and here is the first one is the chain isomerism. Here is chain isomerism. The first one is chain isomerism. Second one when you are going, that is the position isomerism. Position isomerism. Position isomerism. Third one is metamerism. 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 And last one when you are going, last one after metamerism, it is functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism. One more type is there, but it is there only in the NEET. This last one is one.
Yes, sir.
So that is what is the ring chain isomerism. Ring chain isomerism. Ring chain isomerism. So this is what. Here
Yes.
isomerism is two type. You can memorize. That is first one is geometrical. Geometrical. Geometrical isomerism. Okay. Geometrical isomerism. And second one is optical. Optical isomerism. This is only not in 11th standard. It is only in the NEET only. NEET is there little bit, NEET and 12th. NEET and 12th.
Yes, sir.
Not in 11th. Not in 11th. 11th little bit there, but not that much. Geometrical again classified under the two categories, that is cis, and this is what trans. Okay. It is also classified in the two categories, that is dextro and last one is levo. So this is the classification that you need to know the name. Okay. Okay, but we are going to understand the structural isomerism. Today we are going to understand structural, tomorrow we'll study that. Okay, so name is already clear. I think the structural
Yes,
isomerism
sir.
is different in structure. They will be differ in the structure. Stereoisomerism, they will not be, that is the different things. Tomorrow we will study. They have the same structure, same molecular formula, only orientation is different. So that is going to be studied tomorrow. But here when you are
Yes,
talking
sir.
today, so structural isomerism means the compound have same molecular formula but differ in structure only. But differ in structure only.
Structure
That,
only.
that is in that what we are having, that is chain isomerism, position isomerism, metamerism, functional group isomerism, and ring chain isomerism. So there are 5 categories are there which have the which is that is chain no, comes under the structural isomerism. So let us try to understand the one by one. Janab, if you want to write anything, please let me know. Na? If you want to write
Yes,
the,
sir. Yes, sir. I'm writing down with you.
so wherever you want to say stop, I will be stop. Na?
Okay, sure, sir.
Hmm. So structural isomerism, that is very basically the first one is the same one. Is structural, structura, structural isomerism. So when you are talking about structural isomerism, so Jana, what will be there? Same structure, same molecular formula. That is same molecular formula. It will be what? Same molecular formula. That is what the point. And different structure. That is what? Different structure. Different structure. These are the 2 points which we need to keep in mind. Now I am taking that is C5 or C4. You take that is C4 H10, C4H10. So one structure you see, we can draw it like CH3, CH2, CH2, and CH3. Okay. What about this one, Janab? This one, CH3. Then it is going to be CH. Here is CH3, and this is going to be CH3. Okay. So here is
Yes,
that
sir.
is straight chain. This is known as N-butane. Straight chain is there means normal butane. Okay. Straight chain mean normal butane. Then what we are having, the next one we are having, that is this is known as isobutane. If you are talking about this one, that is isobutane, and both are different. This is the straight na non-branch. If you are talking about this one, non-branch, yes या no? बाद में बात करते हैं ना, थोड़ा फोन करता हूँ. So sorry yaar, though little bit disturbance. I was not knowing.
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Yeah, disconnected. So I think this all gone, no, disturb. Total is gone backside. Okay, so when you are talking about the structural, I am going structural isomerism. So here I
Yes,
told you in the structure will be different. And C4H10, if I am taking C4H10. So here we can draw it like CH3, this is the one, then CH2, then CH2, and last one is CH3. This can be converted into this form also. CH3, here is CH, this is going to be CH3, and here is CH3. This is the N-butane, that is what is known as N-butane, and this is known as isobutane. 4 carbon means but, single bond is means butane. Okay, and what is iso group is Janam, if you are talking about iso means na, that is this group is known as CH3, here is CH, here will be something, and here is CH3. This is what is known as iso. Iso. Now
yes, sir.
the iso group. So here this group is there iso, and total carbon is 4, so isobutane. Now you see this is non-branch. This is the non-branch. This is going to be,
Non-branch.
and what about this one? Branch. Okay, this is the branch. One is non-branch, another is the branch. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Now what we are going to understand, Janab, when you are talking about this one, molecular formula C4H12, and here is also C4H10, not 12, C4H10. So what do you find? What is
Yes,
different between in these two compound? What is different? What is different?
so sir, no branch and non-branch.
So what type of the isomerism it will be? They are the structure is same or structure is different?
Same.
See, is it same? Is it same?
Oh no, sir, no, it's not same.
So
It's
molecular
isometric.
formula same. Molecular
Yes,
formula same.
molecular formula is same.
Structure, if you are talking about structure, different. Okay, structure is
Different.
different. So both are all together known as what? Structural isomerism. Structure is different, na? So that is what is structural isomerism. Can you be able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Now,
but I need practice in this, I think.
yeah, practice required. That's okay. We'll do the practice. There is no problem. Now go for the types of structural isomerism. I told you, Janab, does just now. Types of what? Structural isomerism. Types of structural isomerism. Okay. If you are writing this one, types of structural isomerism. So there are 5 types. I told you. There are 5 types are there.
Sir, I can't hear you, sir. There is some background.
One second.
Yes, sir.
एक ही साइड का निकाल पाएंगे वो इधर क्लास चल रहा है मेरे को नुकसान take some 1 minute 1 2 minutes some work they are doing in our room. Types of structural isomerism. First one is I told you that is the chain isomerism. The first one is chain. A little bit you write down now. Chain isomerism. Second one is the position isomerism. Position isomerism. Types you write down in your note, please. Chain isomerism.
Yes, sir.
Position.
Right.
Metamerism. Functional group isomerism. Okay, and last one is ring chain isomerism. This is what? Ring chain
Yes, sir.
isomerism. Ring chain
Yes,
iso.
sir.
So first one is the chain isomerism, second one is position isomerism, third is metamerism, fourth is functional group, and fifth is this one. Jana, please tell me what is the structural isomerism? Please define the structural isomerism now. What is structural isomerism?
Sir, it defines the structure of a compound.
Hmm.
It is, it's of 5 types.
Huh. What is
Chain.
definition of Janab? They are
They
same,
have
same,
the
same.
same molecular formula and structure is different.
So they are the structural isomerism. Here they are saying 5 chain types are there. First one is chain isomerism. So I am going for the chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. This is the chain
Yes, sir.
isomerism. Chain isomerism, Jana. What is the chain isomerism? Same molecular formula. That is going to be what? Same molecular formula. You know, that is what? Same molecular formula. But what? differ in, where it is going to differ in what? Same molecular formula, but differ in carbon chain. No, differ in carbon chain. In bracket, I am writing parent chain. Whatever the longest chain we have to selected, that is differ. That is the same molecular formula, but differ in carbon chain is known as, what is going to be known, is known as chain isomerism. That is what? Chain isomerism. Okay. If the carbon chain, okay. So how the chain differ? Chain difference means, what is the difference? Chain difference means, chain difference means, if you are going chain difference means the length of carbon chain differ. The length of, no, length of carbon chain,
Carbon chain differ.
carbon chain differ, carbon chain differ, that is may be large, that is may be large,
Large.
may be large or small, may be large or small. That is what
Small.
our answer is all about, right? So let us try to understand another things. Let us try to understand what could be the, if I am having this compound, I am having this compound, right? You can take this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 carbon. Another possibility is there. That is the how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four.
Another possibility is there this way. So 1, 2, 3. So in these all the three compound, Jana, what you are going to observe? What are the difference in this compound? Carbon chain 5, no, chain have what? How many carbon? Chain have how many carbon? Chain have
1, 2, 3, 4.
5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is chain have how many carbon? Chain have 4 carbon. Here chain have
Sir,
how?
sir, I'm not able to see the screen properly. Means like, what are you writing? I'm not able to see. The screen is blank.
Now
Yeah, sir, now it came.
now
Yeah,
clear,
came up.
little bit problem. So that is when you are talking about the chain isomer, chain have, this is 5 carbon, 4 carbon, and here is 3 carbon, not 4 carbon. Here is how
Okay,
many
sir.
carbon? That is 3 carbon. So molecular formula same, molecular formula, I know, same. I know. If you are talking about here, what is the similarity in this one? Molecular formula same. Here is, we are having molecular formula. What are their molecular formula is going to be same. Now another point, when you are talking about the structure, or that is carbon chain, but where they are going to be differ. Okay, carbon chain,
Yes, sir.
carbon chain differ, carbon chain is going to be what? Differ. So what is
Differ.
the name? What would be the name here, Janab? What can be, what type of isomerism will be there? Can we say chain isomerism?
Yes, sir, chain isomerism.
Because all have, as all have different carbon, all have different number of carbon, all have different
Different number of carbon.
all have different number of carbon in parent chain, in parent chain,
Okay.
in parent chain. So whatever the chain we have selected, they have different number of carbon atoms, so they are what is known as what? Chain isomerism. This is the example of what? Chain isomerism. Can you be
Chain
able to understand?
isomerism.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
move
sir.
next page, or you want to write?
One minute, sir, let me write this.
Yeah. Over Janab?
1 minute, sir.
Ah, okay, okay, write down. Please tell me if it is done.
1 minute, sir.
Mhm. Over?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So chain isomerism is over. Let us try to understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Find the types of question is there. Find the types of isomerism. Find the types of isomerism. Isomerism in
Yes,
it.
sir.
Find the types of isomerism in it. Okay. So
Yes,
we are
sir.
talking about here is the here is this one. Another is the going to be this one. Then here is the this one. Okay. Then
Yes,
again,
sir.
again, what they did here, one more here, you put the one more. Here is also I'm putting one more. Okay. Then again, what they did here, that is the double bond is the same position, but here is the two branch are there. So they are
Yes,
asking,
sir.
that is, they are asking that is what type of position. They are asking position isomerism, can be position isomerism.
Yes,
The
sir.
second one they are saying that is chain isomerism. Okay, chain isomerism. Another they are saying that is fourth one functional group. They are saying functional group. Functional group. Meanwhile, we study only one functional group. Last one is the metamerism. Metamerism. So now let us try
Yes,
to
sir.
understand this one. So here is total number of carbon. We start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is how many? Again, we start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 5. And another this carbon is here is the 6. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is this is 5 and this is 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now they are asking that is here is 6 carbon are there. 6 carbon in chain. 6 carbon in chain. Parent chain have 6 carbon. How many carbon you are
Yes, sir.
counting? 5 carbon in chain.
5 carbon.
5 carbon in chain. How many are there? 4
Yes,
carbon in chain. So if
yes.
I am asking Janab, that is what type of isomerism is there in this compound? Can you be able to tell me?
No.
See, molecular formula
Yes, sir.
same. Molecular formula same. Yes, yeah, no. Molecular formula
Yes,
same. All is having 6 carbon. 6 carbon
yes.
only. But what we are talking about another point, carbon chain. What is there? Carbon chain is same or what? Carbon chain. In the A number, suppose it is A, this is B, this is C. So A number, how
Yes,
many carbon? Carbon chain have that is 6 carbon. And
6
B have the
carbon.
chain how many? 5 carbon. And C
5
the
carbon.
carbon chain have how many carbon?
4.
4
4
carbon.
carbon.
So molecular formula what? C6 is there. So molecular formula same. Carbon chain different. What is there?
Yes,
Carbon chain different. Carbon chain is different. So what kind of isomerism will be there is there now?
chain isomer.
Are you be able to understand this, Janab?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Super, super. Okay. Can I erase this problem?
yes, sir.
Hmm. Now let us. I am giving you one more problem. what type of isomerism is present? What types of isomerism is present? What type of isomerism is present in it? Okay, what type of isomerism is present in it? Okay, this is the question, right? Here is OH. Okay, here is OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the 5. Another 3.
Yes, sir.
Total. Here is what is that is OH. Okay. This is.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what type of isomerism is there? First one is chain. Second one is position. Third one is a meta, and fourth one is functional. See.
Yes, sir.
Molecular formula, if you are talking about now, all you can count. Total is 5 carbon is there. Okay. 1, 2,
Yes,
3. Here is 4, and this is the 5. 5 carbon are there. So
yes, sir.
but in parent chain, meanwhile, you check in the parent chain how many carbons are there. So here, how many carbons are there, Janab? Here is how many carbon? 5 carbon, right? Here, how many parent chain have how many carbon? 4 carbon, right? Here, parent chain have how many carbon? 3 carbon. Yes, yeah, no? 5
Yes,
carbon,
sir.
4 carbon, or 3 carbon. Yes, yeah, no?
Yes, sir.
Molecular formula is same, Janab. In both all the cases, molecular formula is same. Okay, molecular formula same. Okay, all you will
Yes, sir.
find a carbon and hydrogen. Now all is having same. Its chain
Yes,
differ in where it is differing. Differ in this all the compound is differ in what, Janab? They are differ in what? Differ in carbon chain. They are differ in
carbon
chain. Because here is the A number. How many carbon are there? 5 carbon. B
5
number.
carbon.
How many carbon? 4 carbon. C
4
number. How
carbon.
many carbon? That is 3 carbon. So
3
molecular
carbon.
formula same. Chain is different. So what kind of isomerism is this?
Sir, chain.
Chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. Are you be able to understand, Janab, this one? This one. Chain isomerism is clear or what?
Yes,
Sure.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good, very good, very good. Now let us try to understand, Janab. That is another one. Position isomerism. Position.
Sir, I'm a bit confused with still chain isomerism. Means like if you see the other one, I'll get more confused.
Okay. Can I teach
Means
the?
like I'll look all.
Can I tell again from the beginning?
Yes, sir. Please.
Your voice is not coming clear. Something is problem.
Now, sir?
Now it's clear. Now very much clear. Okay. So what you are saying that is it is little bit confusing. Yes.
No, actually, sir, means this topic is a bit tough. Isomers. So,
Ha.
sir, this chain isomer was a bit difficult for me to understand, but I understood. So, sir, if you teach other, I'll mix up all and again I'll get more confused. That's what I was saying.
So what you are expecting? What should I do now?
Sir, I don't know.
What you are saying? I am not getting. You said that is this topic is bit difficult. So, but you understand the chain isomerism. Yes, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm asking you to stop because, sir, if you continue, I'll get more confused. Because I want to practice first chain isomers. Because if you do together chain and position, I may mix up the things.
No, you will not be mix up. This is very easy. Position isomerism. I will tell. When you study, then we will practice. It's not confusing that much. Tomorrow again, I will revise all of them. Again, I will revise. Don't worry. I will until or unless it is everything is clear, I will revise. Okay, so don't worry. It will be easy only. So Position isomerism. See, we are studying what that is structural isomerism. We are studying the structure, structural isomerism. Okay, and structural isomerism means differ in structure. They are the differ in structure. Okay,
Structure.
everything will be same, differ in structure only. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
differ in structure can be many ways now. Differ in structure can be many ways. What ways are there? First one, chain can be different. Chain can be long or short. So one is chain isomerism. You know, isomerism.
Yes, sir.
MERIS. One is chain isomerism. Chain can be differ, so structure will be differ. Second one is possible is that is position can be differ. Position.
Yes, sir.
Position means if the position of compound is different, that is also the structure will be differ. So chain isomerism, you are saying you understood little bit. Okay. So we are
Yes.
going to understand position. Okay. We are going to understand position. You will be able to understand. No problem. I'll give you the some tricks also. You will be able to. Now, when you are talking about
Yes,
position isomerism, posi
yes,
so when you are talking about position isomerism, same molecular formula, same molecular formula. They are having what? Same molecular formula. Okay, same molecular formula. But what is that is?
yes,
But differ in what? Where? But differ in position of. But differ in position of what? Position of prefix. But differ in position of prefix and functional group. Differ in position of prefix and functional group.
function group.
Hmm. Functional group differ in position of prefix and functional group. Same molecular
Functional.
formula but differ. Wait. No, but differ in position of prefix and functional group, that we can see. That is no problem. So what is the point here? That is note number one. Note one. Molecular formula is same. 100% molecular formula is going to be same. Molecular formula same. So what is the note number two?
Yes,
Where it will be differ? So they will be differ. They will be differ in. Where they are going to be differ? They will be differ in position. Okay. Position of anything will be there. Position of will be prefix. That is one thing. Double or triple bond. Position of double or triple bond. That can also be the differ. Triple bond or triple bond, or that is position of what? That is also can be what? Functional group. Okay, that also can
yes, sir.
differ in position of functional group. Are you be able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
They are having same molecular formula but differ in position of prefix and functional group. Note number one, molecular formula is same and differ. They will be differ in position of prefix, double bond or triple bond position, or functional group position. This is our point. So are you be able to understand
Yes, sir.
statement?
Yes, sir.
So now let us try to understand this. First one, example of position isomerism. Example of position isomerism. Example of position isomerism. Okay. So here we are having Janav, what we are having? CH3, CH, here is OH, here is CH3. Another we are having
Yes, sir.
CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Right, this one. This is what 1, 2, 3. This is what is propane to all. This is going to be propane to all. And here is propane. What will be there? 1, 2, 3. Propane 1 all. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Molecular formula you check, Jana, for both of them. What is there? Carbon is 3. C3, hydrogen 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 3, 8. H8 and 1 oxygen, C3H8O. Here you see C3, H325278, C3H8O, C3H8.
Yes, sir.
So position isomerism, what is different now? You tell me. Carbon is here is 3, Okay, parent chain have how many carbon? Here you can see parent chain have the 3 carbon. Yes, yeah, no? Parent chain
Yes, sir.
so this cannot be the chain isomerism, because in the chain
Yes.
isomerism carbon chain should be small or large. Yes, yeah, no?
Yes, sir.
The chain isomerism it will not be, but it will be what? That will be the position isomerism. Why it is position isomerism, Janab? Why?
Because it is a compound.
This is position. This compound is position isomerism. Position isomers. Position isomers as what? As they have different position of what? Different position of OH group. Different position
OH
of
group.
OH
OH
group.
group.
Can you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Wait. We'll go some more example. This is not as tough as you are thinking. It's not as tough. It's not.
Yes, sir.
This is not as tough as you are thinking. It's
Yes.
but it required to practice more. Right. Question is there. What type of isomerism present? Isomerism present. What type of isomerism present? This is the question. Option A is there chain isomerism. They are saying chain isomerism, where the chain isomerism is carbon chain is different number of carbon. And next one is position isomerism. Only two types are there. Position isomerism.
Yes, sir.
So Jana, we have to answer it out that what can be.
Yes, sir.
So when you are counting, Janav, here you see, can we wait now? Little bit I'm changing this. Why? What I'm doing this one. Here is no. Here already there. Wait. If I will put some other place, already is there. 1, 2. There. Here is also there. Wait. Let it be here 1. Let it be here 1. Let it be here 1. And then you can put. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Here is what? 1,
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 4, and 5. And here is this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, sir.
Third position, second position occupies, fourth position is free. This is. Jana, please tell me what kind of isomerism is there? What type of?
Sir, position.
Why, Jana? Position isomerism. Correct answer. Very good. Why position isomerism? That I want to know.
Because, sir,
these are position isomerism. These are position isomerism.
Isomers.
Position isomerism या isomers or isomers. Isomers as they are. See, 5 carbon is there. Carbon chain is as long in all the compound. You will find carbon chain is same. Here is the
long
5.
carbon chain is there. That's fine.
Here is 5. Here you can check out that is 5. Here also you can check out that is the 5. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what the point, Janab? These are position isomers as they are differ in okay. OH group one position. So they are differ in position of what is name of this group, Janab? What is name of this group? What is name of this group?
This group, sir, it will be
Hmm.
for methyl.
So differ in methyl group. Yes, na? Here is what is that
Yes,
is 4-methyl. Here is what is 4-methyl. Position is 4th position. Yes. Here
yes,
position is how much? 2-methyl. Second position.
2-methyl.
And here is
Yes,
3-methyl.
sir.
So what is the difference
3-methyl.
in this compound, Janab? The position of methyl group is changing now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So position
Yes.
is changing means it is the what type of isomerism?
Position isomers.
Are you be able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. I'm giving you one more example. Okay. Today we'll practice
Yes,
only
sir.
2 types. Okay. I'm giving you question again. What if you want to write? Please stop me here. You are not saying to stop.
Yes, sir.
What type of isomerism present? What type of isomerism present? So what type of isomerism present means this is compound is there.
Yes, sir.
A this is
Yes,
B.
sir.
C. Tell me, Jana, what type of isomerism is there? Either it is chain isomerism means carbon chain will be different. Number of carbon atom in chain will be different. So is it
Yes,
chain
sir.
or is it position? You let me know, please. You please tell me. I am counting this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4, 5,
1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
4,
3, 4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
Uh,
Sir, the double bond means like the in.
hmm,
In is
hmm,
first, for the first one, it is near 1.
hmm,
And for the second one, it is near 2.
hmm.
And for the third C1, it's near 3.
So what type of isomerism?
What type of chain isomerism?
Chain
Because the
isomerism. Chain means that is carbon
no,
chain
no,
should
no,
be different.
position. Sorry, sir, the position isomerism, because the position is different.
This is, if you want to write, you please write. This is
Yes, sir, I'm writing.
TH. These are position isomerism. These are position isomerism. These are position isomerism as these are position isomerism as they are differ in position of double bond. Position of
Double bond.
double bond. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Write and tell me if it is over. Over, Janab, over.
1 minute, sir. Just.
Write slowly, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Done.
Okay, very good, very good. So today we will study only these two isomerism. Na? Next I am not teaching you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. So
There are.
sir, over here
Huh,
6 and there is 7.
hmm.
And sir, the methyl is present over here in fourth, whereas in the other it's not present.
Hmm. So will it be position or it will be chain isomerism?
Position.
See, that is position means different in the position of methyl group, but here no methyl group. So how can you say position?
Chain.
It will be chain isomerism. Why Jana? Why chain isomerism? Tell me though. Why chain isomerism? 7
Because
carbon.
sir, 7 carbons are there and over there 6.
6 carbon. So if you are writing Jana, if you are writing the answer, they are what? They are chain isomerism. What they are saying? They are chain isomerism. Why chain isomerism? As they have differ, they have different number of, they have different number of
Different number of
carbon in parent chain, different number of carbon in parent chain.
parent chain.
Different number of carbon in parent chain.
Parent chain.
They are chain isomerism as they have different number of carbon in parent chain. See, here is how many carbon? 7 carbon. Here how many carbon? 6 carbon. Okay. But methyl group position is not different. Here no methyl group. Here methyl group. So we can't say now. Only different is what? That is the number of carbon in parent chain is different. So that is what chain isomerism. Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
Let me give you one more example.
तय करके अलमारी में से बिता दो।
Now Janab, tell me the answer.
Chain isomer, sir.
Why chain isomer?
Because sir, over there 7 carbons are present, over there 6 and over there 5.
7 carbon. Here is you are saying that is 6 carbon in parent chain, and here is how many
And
carbon are
methyl is
there?
also there.
5 carbon.
5
Yes.
carbon.
So that is the molecular formula is same. Position of COOH group is always 1. Here one methyl group is on the second position. Here also second position.
But number of carbons are more.
So we can write these are what? Chain
Chain
isomerism.
isomers.
Chain isomers. No, as they are differ only in, they are differ only in what? They are differ only in number of carbon atom in carbon chain, number of carbon atom in parent chain, in parent chain, in parent chain. Are you be able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So two isomerism we study, position and chain. Position and chain. Both are clear, Janab?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we will study the metamerism and functional group, right? So slowly,
Yes, sir.
slowly this topic. Acha, IPSC, are you facing the problem or is it clear?
No, sir. Now I am good. But sir, can you please send questions for that?
Yeah. Just now I'll send you. I'll take the pic and I'll send you. Surely.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. So for today, that much, Janab, we'll study tomorrow then, na?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay, bye. Take care.